Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Brian. This is Mustang Chronicles. I just wanted to go ahead and kick off this first video, giving you guys an intro of what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be rebuilding one of my Mustangs. It's not my 21 GT, not this guy. Overlook my cluttered garage. In fact, it will be my 68 Mustang Coupe that I have. Wish I would have gotten more video before I got it here at the house, got everything taken off, fenders, windows, doors, all that stuff. Sorry about that, but moving forward, I will be recording everything that I'm doing. Again, it's a 68 Mustang Coupe, has a 302 with a rebuilt C4 in it as well. As you can see, everything has been pretty much stripped down. And the inside, this is what we're working with. There definitely will be some floor pan replacements here. That's passenger side. Driver's side will have floor pan replacements as well. Torque boxes, probably can see a little bit down there. Torque box on this side will definitely be replaced. Let's see, let's move to the back of this thing. As you can see, I'll also be replacing the tail light panel, and actually sitting over there on the wall. Tail light panel, this drop off here, the rear trunk brace. So this is kind of what I'll be doing, repairing little areas here and there. There will be some body work, as we can see, that'll be done here. But yeah, just wanted to give this little quick intro kickoff, show you guys what I'm actually working with. So I will start today with getting all of this undercoating here off, because the previous owner boogered this up pretty good. There's a lot of undercoat spray all over here. Not sure what the guy was doing there, but I'm gonna clean all this up. And as you can see under here, that is the driver's side torque box. Definitely will need to be replaced. Still trying to determine if I will need to do anything with the floor supports here. The rest of it looks pretty decent. Up underneath the car looks pretty decent as well. Let's see if I can get over to the torque box on the other side. Again, I'm in a small garage that is packed full of stuff, so it'll be interesting working on this car in here. But let's check the other torque box. So this torque box actually looks pretty decent. Maybe I do see some holes here. Maybe this guy will need to be replaced, but I need to get a light over here. But this actually doesn't look too bad. Maybe just need to replace this piece here. This actually looks pretty solid. And see, the previous owner had already cut out a lot of this. So I'll probably need, well, I definitely will need to replace this lower, I forget what it's called, the toe board or something like that. But you guys, I'm sure will correct me. But these are the floor supports here. I think once these are just cleaned up, they'll be good. I don't see any major pitting or anything. And if you look up in there, if you can see, looks pretty decent. So I thought there would be a whole lot of work to do here. Yes, there is some significant work to be done, but I don't think it is as bad as some of the other cars I've seen. Another thing, let's see. So probably I'm going to be replacing the full floor pan on the passenger side, but everything else looks pretty decent. Driver's side underneath looks pretty darn good to be a 68. The previous owner says that he kept it garaged up until a few months before I actually purchased the car. In all honesty, I've actually had the car for about 3.5 months, but it's been in storage, and I've just now been able to get it here to my house. So I've just now been able to start working on it. Of course, got all the seating up there. I have a ton of replacement parts that come with it. Full interior is going to be redone. I've already got all that. A lot of extra panels and stuff. I've got everything I need. I just need to do the work. A little rust here and there. May not be that big of a deal. I mean, it's a little bubbled up here, but I don't see any real problem areas here. So this is where we're starting at. This is video number 1 on Mustang Chronicles. There's some rust down in there, but actually there is a hole. Can't see it, but there's a hole right here, a small hole that I'll need to fix. But for the most part, I'm not too concerned with being able to get things started and going here. But I hope you guys subscribe and follow. If you have any suggestions or any advice, definitely don't hesitate. This is my first time rebuilding a car. I've worked on cars in the past, but this is my first time actually doing a rebuild. So should be interesting. Follow along and just see how it goes. Thanks for watching, guys.